Hello everyone, welcome back. We have Christmas spirit in full swing today with this festive Christmas elf tree. This tree is for all of you who have the magic of Christmas in your heart and love to create a tree that will just delight the imagination of anyone who sees it. And don't worry, because this Christmas elf is going to take you through exactly how to get this look. And the best part is you can consider me your personal shopping assistant, as I have created an Amazon shopping list with all the items that you have seen featured in this video today. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's cue in that festive music and let's get started. In our Christmas tree design series, this is tree number 10, and this is called the Christmas Elf. Now I know that some of you have been watching this series so far, and you have seen some really elaborate and ornate Christmas trees that have a very high design look and just maybe a little bit fancy. Now this Christmas tree is going to be for those of you who really love a whimsical Christmas look, and so you can certainly get a designer appearance with this Christmas tree, but this is definitely going to appeal more towards that child in your heart, in your Christmas heart. And so let's go through and really dig in and how to get this really fun look, but also make sure that it looks high-end and designer in your home. So to get this look, you're going to want to start with a green Christmas tree. So this is going to be just your classic ones that I've been suggesting. These are my favorite, or if you would like to do a real Christmas tree, that would also work. To start, let's get into the ribbons. There are a lot of really beautiful options for ribbons in this tree. The really easy route is to get this perfect 3-pack that I suggest here. And it just has a couple of really nice matching ribbons that are going to just give you that look and that theme all in one pack. So it's really a good way to go. Now a couple of other ribbons, if you're looking for something just simple, I've got the red and green ribbons here, as well as a red velvet and an apple green ribbon, and a really nice wide deco mesh. And the idea is that the color schemes that you want to look for are these nice really red colors, as well as accenting with that beautiful apple colored green. That's what's going to really bring that color scheme home for this type of Christmas tree. And so as opposed to the classic Christmas tree, which is a little bit more of the emerald greens and that deeper green and red combination, this is a little bit more bright, a little bit more vibrant, and a little bit more whimsical. And so that's why this deco mesh is also a really good option, to kind of like that neon green appearance that's really going to accent quite well. There's another set here that's quite good as well. It has the matching ribbon as well as some pre-made bows, and so that's a nice option for those of you who do not like to tie their own bows. And also another thing to keep in mind, I added here a little bit of the Grinch ribbon because this Christmas theme is also easily exchangeable with the Grinch theme, which is the same exact color scheme. So if you are really into that trend that's popular right now, you could add in a little bit of that Grinch ribbon to one of these trees and get that same look. Now going in with the Christmas picks, I have a lot of nice options here for that as well. I have, starting off, we have that green apple with the swirls. I have the same swirls in a green and a red appearance, and also some really fun looking elf legs. These are going to be such a cute accent to the tree. I have a couple of different colors. Looks like little elves have landed in your tree, trying to hide at least with their little legs sticking out. The red picks for the topper that I think would look really nice are just some of these branching red type of picks that I think would look great, as well as some with the little red balls on it that would really all work quite nicely together. Another one that would be quite nice is the red and green with the candy cane motif that looks great together in accenting in this theme. Now for your Christmas ornaments, this is going to be really easy for you to shop for because this theme is very popular. So I have quite a few options that are actually full packages that have nice accenting ornaments in the Christmas elf theme. If you don't like the pieces that are included in that elf theme, you can also just go with plain green and red Christmas bulbs that are going to look really nice on your Christmas tree as well. Another one that I found which was really nice is this Lennox Christmas elf, and this is going to be a little bit more of your keepsake type of ornament, but also quite lovely. For a tree skirt, I found this one that has little elf legs on it, and I find this very funny and very cute. And then if you are again not really into the elf part of the motif and just like the color scheme, there's a beautiful green ruffle option, and what I would recommend with that is if you'd like to layer that up to give it a little bit more volume, or I have this red and green one which is also quite nice. With tree skirts, one thing that I can recommend is if you put a blanket underneath your tree skirt, that's going to give it a little bit more volume, and also without having to purchase more than one, for example with the tulle one, and this is going to give you a little bit more of a designer look to your tree skirt. To top the tree off, I found a couple of really cute options. Look at these topper hats. Aren't they just adorable? There is a lot of different styles that you can choose from with this type of hat on a Christmas tree, and I think these are really cute. Also, there's an elf hat that I found that is just adorable, and if you would like to put one of the elves in your Christmas tree, this is a nice little Christmas elf here holding a star that would be also a really sweet tree topper. And lastly, a couple of other fun add-ins would definitely be these large elf legs that just looks like a full-grown elf has landed in your tree, as well as the full elf in the tree kit with the head and the arms and the legs. And so there are quite a few things here that can really give you that elf accent, so beyond just the color scheme. So there's a couple of really cute elves that you can add into your tree, and that is really going to make sure that you bring that whole color scheme home. So guys, isn't that Christmas elf tree just so much fun and so whimsical? I'm so excited to hear what you think about it in the comments below. If you liked that video, give me a thumbs up. If you have been inspired by any of the trees that we have been looking at in this series, please send me a picture of your Christmas tree on Instagram or in my email that I'll have attached in the description below. We're going to actually be doing a little bit of a competition, and so in December I'm going to be putting a video together of all of the Christmas trees from the pictures that you guys send me, and so I would like to choose a winner from those, and I'm going to probably do the top 3, and I have a lot of really fun ideas for gifts to give away on those winners. One of them is going to be be the Grandeur of Christmas, which is my new book that just released, and the other two are a surprise that I'm going to keep to a little bit of a later date, so you have to stay tuned just so you can get into the details of that. But I would love it if you would just submit your photo to me, and so that I can include that in the video and put everyone's together. And how fun would that be to have your Christmas tree featured on one of my videos? So if that's something that's exciting to you, I would love to see your tree, and I can't wait to include you in on the Christmas festivities. The next tree in the series is tree number 11 with a winter wonderland. This tree, in its magical and white ethereal look, is just the most peaceful of all the Christmas trees in my opinion, and this is the tree that really captures that essence of the winter wonderland and the snow and the beautiful landscape of Christmas time. And so this tree really captures the heart of most people, and I know that you will enjoy that video, so that I hope that you stick around to check that one out as well. I had a lot of fun today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.